Hello and welcome to another Canvas tips and tricks video. Today we're going to go over Canvas blank courses. We're going to show you how to create a blank Canvas course, which is also referred to as a Sandbox course. This is a course that you'll be able to use to develop your course content for next term. So we'll go over that process of creating that blank course. We'll copy the content from another course into the Sandbox so that way you can update due dates and that kind of thing. And then we'll show you how to copy the content from that Sandbox course into your live course next term. So let's jump in. So here we are on my Canvas dashboard. You can see all of my courses are here and you'll see my to-do items to the right. So you'll need to scroll down and you'll see additional notifications, and then you'll see the option to start a new course. So go ahead and click Start a New Course. This is where you'll name your course. So if you have a course, let's say English 1A, and you would like this to be your master course shell, you might call it English 1A Master, or you might call it English 1A Sandbox. Either way is fine. It's totally up to you. I went with English 1A Sandbox for now. We can leave the content license at private, and we don't need to make the course publicly visible, so we'll go ahead and click Create Course. And now you'll see it's dropped us off in this blank course. If we look under People, we'll see there's no one enrolled except for me. So if I click on Home, I'll be able to import my course content by clicking on Add Existing Content. So if I click on Add Existing Content, I am going to select the first option, which is to copy a Canvas course. And sometimes you'll get a drop down here and you can search by semester, so you can copy over the content from last semester's course. So I've just selected my English 101 course from the list. You'll notice that English 101 is not the same as English 1A. I can select any course that I want to copy content from. So that's what I'm going to do. I can either select specific content or I can select all content. So I'm going to go ahead and select all content. And then I have the ability to adjust my events and due dates by check marking this option here. I find this option particularly useful to just remove all of the dates. You can also shift the dates if you want, but it's not going to be exact. So, if you have holidays that are at different times, or, spring break falls at a different time, right? You'll want to probably shift the dates, but you'll need to go back and spot check. I find it easier to just remove all the dates, and then I know if there's an item that doesn't have a date, then I need to adjust it and I won't be confused. So go ahead and click Import when you're ready. If you've selected specific content, that means you only need a couple of things from that course. You will click Import and then you'll be able to choose your content. For right now, I'm going to keep it simple and select all content to come into my blank course and import. Sometimes it takes a while to import depending on how much content you have to import. So just give it time. Once it's complete, it will give you a green completed icon that looks something like this. So now you can click on Home and see all of the content in your course from the last semester, and you'll be able to edit any of it as you see fit. And then when you're ready, you'll be able to do this same process with your live course sections. So when I say live course sections, this is not a live course section. This is a sandbox, right? This is a course that only has you enrolled in the people of the course. But what you will get approximately 2 weeks prior to the start of the new semester are your live courses. Those are the courses that have your actual students in them. So let's take a look at what that might look like. Back on the dashboard, you'll see your courses like this. They'll have a section number and things like that attached to them that you'll see. But you'll see right here it says Summer 2020 semester. So whatever the next semester is, that's what's going to be listed. So you can see this is a blank course. If I click on it to enter the course, again, it's totally blank. So what I would want to do at this point is import I would copy over the existing content from the Sandbox course that I prepared. So I click here and then I say copy a Canvas course. I select all content. I'll search my course up here and then I'll click import. If you used your Sandbox course to prepare for this new semester and you have all of your due dates set appropriately, then you don't need to adjust them at all. They will come over exactly as they are in the course that you're importing from. So remember, only adjust these events and due dates if you haven't already adjusted them. So here I have my English 1A Sandbox, all content, and I'm not going to adjust the events and due dates because I've already adjusted those events and due dates in my Sandbox. I'll click Import, and the content will begin to import. And once it finishes copying over, you'll be good to go. So that's it for this week's Canvas tips and tricks video. We covered how to create a blank Sandbox course, how to copy content in it from another course. So we imported content over, and then we copied that Sandbox course content into our live course. So if you have any other questions or want to view any other tutorial videos or instructional guides, go to hartnell.edu/pdc/canvas. Thanks for watching.